Real life situations of application of exponential distribution. Exponential distribution can be applied in study of life of an electronic component, radioactive decay, periods between two successive arrivals of the customers at a service station, time required for repairs, time required to find the fault in a machine. Next is distribution function. Let capital X follow exponential distribution with potential probability density function. F of x equals to 1 upon theta e raised to minus x upon theta, x greater equal 0, theta greater than 0 and is equal to 0 otherwise. Then by the definition of distribution function, capital F of x is given by capital F of x equals to capital P of capital X less equal small x, which is equals to integration from minus infinity to x 1 upon theta e raised to minus t upon theta dt. When 1 upon theta is constant, so take outside, integration of e raised to minus t upon theta, integration from minus infinity to x dt is e raised to minus t theta upon 1 upon theta. So applying the upper and lower limit, we get minus 1 into e raised to minus x upon theta minus 1. So minus minus plus 1 minus e raised to minus x upon theta x greater than 0. The probability curve of probability distribution shows a sharp decrease on height for large values of x. The graph of probability density function and distribution function are as follows. These two graphs shows probability density function and distribution function. Next point is lack of memory property. So on this topic the question is state lack of memory property of an exponential distribution. So statement is let x be an exponential random variable with mean theta, then we have p of x greater equal a plus b such that x greater equal a, which is equals to probability of x greater equal b, where a greater equal 0, b greater equal 0. This is statement of theorem or property. So proof, we have x tilde e mean theta, hence probability distribution function is f of x equals to 1 upon theta e raised to minus x upon theta, where x greater equal 0, theta greater than 0. Now probability of x greater equal b, which is equals to 1 minus p of x less equal b, but p of x less equal b is f of b, therefore 1 minus f of b. Now f of b is 1 minus e raised to minus b upon theta. So substitute the value of f of b, we get 1 minus bracket in a bracket 1 minus e raised to minus b upon theta, which is equals to e raised to minus b upon theta. Now p of x greater equal a plus b such that x greater equal a, which is equals to p of x greater equal a plus b and x greater equal a upon p of x greater equal a. So p of x greater equal a plus b upon p of x greater equal a. The function is p of x greater equal a plus b is e raised to minus of a plus b upon theta upon e raised to minus a upon theta, which is equals to e raised to minus b upon theta. E raised to minus b upon theta is p of x greater equal b. So we get p of x greater equal a plus b such that x greater equal a, which is equals to p of x greater equal b. Hence the proof. Example, the lifetime of a microprocessor is exponentially distributed with mean 3000 hours. Find the probability that microprocessors will fail within 300 hours and the microprocessor will function for more than 6000 hours. So given that, so let in a solution, let x be the lifetime of microprocessor x tilde e, mean is theta, which is equals to 3000, and its probability distribution function is f of x equals to 1 upon theta, that is 3000, into e raised to minus x upon theta, that is 3000. We have here x greater than 0. First we have to find the probability that the microprocessor will fail within 300 hours. So that is p of x less than 300. So probability distribution function, integration 0 to 300 1 upon 3000 into e raised to minus x upon 3000 dx. 1 upon 3000 is a constant, so take outside, into e raised to minus x upon 3000 upon minus 1 upon 3000. This is integration from 0 to 300. Therefore after substituting the upper and lower limit, we get minus 1 into e raised to minus 1 upon 10 minus e raised to 0. So which is equals to 1 minus 0.9048, which is equals to 0.09516. Next, we have to find the probability that the microprocessors will function for more than 6000 hours. So here for more than, therefore we take probability of x greater than 6000. So integration 6000 to infinity f of x dx, substitute the values of fx, we get integration 6000 to infinity 1 upon 3000 e raised to minus x upon 3000 dx. 1 upon 3000 is constant, so take outside, then the integration is e raised to minus x upon 3000 upon minus 1 upon 3000, integration from 6000 to infinity. So after substituting the values, we get minus 1 into e raised to minus infinity minus e raised to minus 6000 upon 3000. Therefore we get minus 1 into 0, e raised to infinity is 0, e raised to minus infinity is 0, therefore which is equals to 0 minus e raised to minus 2. Therefore e raised to minus 2, the value of e raised to minus 2 is 0.1353. Next is Pareto distribution. So Pareto originally used this distribution to describe the allocation of wealth among individuals, since it seemed to show rather well the way that a larger portion of the wealth of any society is owned by a smaller percentage of the people in that society. This idea is sometimes expressed more simply as the Pareto principle or the 80-20 rule, which says that 200 of the population owns 80% of the wealth. It can be seen from the probability density function graph on the right that the probability or a fraction of the population fx that owns a small amount of wealth per person x is rather high and then decrease steadily as wealth increases. This distribution is not limited to describing wealth or income distribution, but to many situations in which an equilibrium is found in the distribution of the small to the large. The following examples are sometimes seen as a approximately Pareto distributed. So examples are the sizes of human settlements, few cities, many hamlets or villages, file size, distribution of internet traffic which uses the TCP protocol, many smaller files, few larger ones, the values of oil reserves in oil fields, the length distribution in jobs assigned supercomputers, the the standard price returns and on individual stocks, sizes of sand particles, sizes of meteorites, number of species per genus, areas burnt in forest fires, severity of large casualty losses for certain lines of business such as general library, commercial auto, and workers' compensation,